Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix an Arc.dll Isdone.dll error when you install a big size or large size of your games or application. So here we go. Isdone and an Arc.dll error on Windows 10 or 11, mostly related to installation of PC games as well as a program with a large size. And large games or programs have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAM or disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC might throw this error. So, in order to fix it, you can increase Windows page file or virtual memory. You can press Windows R and run sysdm.cpl. Sysdm.cpl, click OK, and you can go to the advanced. Here you can tap or you can click on settings, click advanced, and change your virtual memory. You can untick automatically manage paging file size for all hard drive. You can click on custom size. Here you can adjust or you can set the initial size and maximum size. So in order to fill this initial size, you can learn it on a Google on your browser. You can set according to your PC RAMs or your laptop RAMs. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.